down here in Arizona, testing the planters, throwing them through the harsh conditions down here. You got to make a good planter. You want to have the toughest conditions, so we're down here in the desert testing these planters and running them through their course.
The conditions we're dealing with here are worst case scenario. That's another benefit of coming to this site location, is not only do we have the weather that allows us to test all winter long, but the conditions, the sand, the dust, the heat. You know, if we can survive in this environment, we can survive anywhere.
What we're experiencing here with the 3665 is really all of the months of work and testing that the test engineering group has done. Really, we're not seeing any trouble whatsoever. It is just going out, setting the planter down, and it's going right to work. The shutoffs are working just like you would expect. The expectation should be exactly what you've seen from Blue Drive planters with true rate meters up to this point. You'll see that now with true speed capability with an Interplant 3665. I'm out here with our sales team this week, and what we're doing is we're trying to simulate a real-world practical application for planting scenarios.
You can talk about a planter all you want, but until you get some seat time, you really don't have that feel for the planter. I mean, it's invaluable, in my opinion, to get the salesman down here, get them in the planters, running the planters, using the planters, and seeing how the planters react, especially in these harsh conditions.
So stuff you see that's new is the map sync.
Oh yeah.
All rows we've already had in the past, but it's relocated.
What is all rows?
That shows all of your data row by row. So instead of having to look at your Cs per second or your meter speed disk one by one on the health screen, you can view them all at once.
Scales, same thing?
Same thing, except you see active weight transfer there. So that's, yep, at the bottom.
Electronic weight transfer.
Yep. So our weight transfer used to be just a set pressure. Now we are adjusting the wing downforce cylinder pressure as you go down in the seat.
The test engineering group, these guys are an incredible resource that we have available to us, and they plant more acres with Kinze planters than anyone else in the world.
For myself as a farmer, I wouldn't send a planter anywhere else to have it tested than right here. And you know, the durability test that we get here is, like I said, none other.
Why is it important for the farmer to know that we're down here testing the 3665?
It's important to know because we're not going to roll anything out without extensive test time. Nothing's going to get released until we've shaken it down for a long time, put a lot of hours and acres on it. If we can't break it, we don't want anybody else to be able to break it.